Otherwise, all I can say is that by the end of the day today, we shall be at 90% done with Form 1 admission, the year 2020.
Na boigo eskuru ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho kwa isukuru chia kolia vija asoma temwali ya KCSE niko nero bono yali kiria boroki wa wange kolenga no mwalimu monebo eskuru no na bwata ni eskuru niko bate biruna eskuru ni gali tiko kia aboroki wa Form 1 aboroki wa chimya isano na ibere ekero baguchia gosieka umurubiriyo ananegeke ikiego cha omurikito dipon asanya na taruke eskuru yo na gutwariganira roboti rokobwatia.
Ekera abana ba Form 1 bagenderete kwerikia imeye chisukuru ao abaiboli ba Cardinal Otunga mbagokera ukwerikia kwa abana babo asebateba umurubiri yutubaire tinga kinyinge buna amatuko amagega mbaru ogosaba wokoligereria nsemo yokorana na chi uniform.
The exercise have been a bit fast. We haven't been here for so long, but maybe next time they should improve on issuing of the uniforms. Like our children didn't get their size and it was kinda not appeasing to most parents. Maybe they should improve next time and bring various sizes of the uniforms.
Shukuru kwa maana tumefanywa process, tumeweza kumaliza. Hatujaona ubaya. Sasa tunaelekea mwisho.
Eskuru ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho nyarorekana koba no muroberio omuyabo kwerikia gati abarimu batenerete omuroberio yo nigo bagokero wesokia kwa Bible asokoreta abana ase eskuru eyue.
Twagokire sana ritkeriria rero the weather has been very friendly. Form 1 admission negendete kurumambi abibuli barengega by 5 in the morning. Exercise it at 7 in the morning. As you can see, we are quite well organized. Umwiburi mnagocha at the entrance at the gate yako a pink card ebwat a stream number and registration itoko korere desk. When they come in, we just do the checking items tiri mwana abwate gusina abwate kirege ntabwendete ko banakyo, and then after that ochicha se desk admissions one desk in karantena admissions etobwate chi stream ikomine mochia Form 1.
I wanted to confirm to the parents that they have brought their sons to the right place. These parents should support the school programs, and with the support of parents and other stakeholders, I'm sure we shall maintain or improve our academic results.
Abaiboli mbaba nogo semerio konene asebate banga emiakenere bosio mbache gochengera amachibu y'abana babo bunayo mwaka oeta bwechiri 2022.
Asante ase Cardinal Otunga High School Mosocho also ko beke mikakati buya emebango abaiboli bagocha baba admitted asenale bagotubokera.
I'm excited, just wishing that in the next 4 years my son will be able to pass equally like last year.
Lero ko bali tuko linene elia bana kwerikia ba Form 1 chisukuru ao abaiboli mbago kana ko banomo goko kwerikia bana ase skuru ya Cardinal maega yoko gokera amachibu yo mwaka oeta bwetiri 2022. Ko reporteria Ndizi TV ko ase skuru ya Cardinal Otunga Mosocho eyego toka sebunge ya Kitutu chache